We are currently living through unprecedented times. We're confined to our homes, we don't have toilet paper, and we've watched a show called Tiger King 3 times. There are many questions going through our heads, but the one that requires the most immediate answer is, how does a car person practice social distancing during these times? Find out here on Velocity Crew. In our quest to responsibly socially distance ourselves as car people, naturally, the first option we immediately turn to is the internet, otherwise known as AutoTrader. It doesn't matter if you're in the market to buy a car or simply just want to window shop, there's just some unexplainable allure to looking at the market and just seeing what's for sale. I mean, back in the day, I would just go and buy an issue at the DuPont registry if I was passing through an airport so I could just read what's going on in the market when I was on the plane. Even as a kid, it was just fun to do. But eventually, as you conduct these window shopping expeditions, you find yourself coming back to, nope, a little higher. There you go, something in your budget. Yada gang, shout out to Sahir. So once you browse that, you eventually get back to window shopping again until you go to your next venture.
The supermarket was out of pancakes, so all we have are whole wheat pancakes. What am I supposed to do with the whole wheat pancakes?
Kramer the watch guy. You can't cuss on vlog content, okay, dude? I can't.
You can cuss on a podcast, you just can't cuss on a vlog.
Armin C63. Are you going to be consistent on this?
Heck yes.
All right, it's official now.
Wait, Armin, put your hand out.
All right, we got to shake on it.
The cops are chasing me. I am going to open my laptop right now, and I'm going to make a logo for our podcast.
Okay. He's going to make a logo. Here we go.
Dude, I'm down. I'll write down topics if you guys want.
All right, you heard it here first.
What's the name for
we should call it it's unofficially right now called the Squadcast.
Okay.
And we'll have to figure it out on what we're actually going to call it and what we're going to do with it. All right. We're live.
All right, so for those of you who have a keen observation, you will say that, hey, Vulcan, this is still going on the internet, and you'd be right. But the truth of the matter is, starting a podcast has been a very spontaneous but fun thing that a couple of my friends and we did. It doesn't matter if you're an introvert or an extrovert, but the bottom line is all you need to do this is find 2 other idiots that like the same topic as you, find some software to do this on. We use Zoom, and it takes about 10 minutes to get started there, and it's free, and just get started. And it really is just that simple. And the best part about it is it just feels like you're hanging out with a couple friends and talking about a similar interest. It doesn't have to be scripted. You can put some improv in there. We do a little bit of both. If you've watched either one of our podcasts that we have up, if you're one of those 10 people, you'll see it's just a bunch of banter, some car news. We browse some bring a trailer markets, AutoTrader, things of that nature, and it's just a good time. And regardless if you have an audience or not, it's just fun to do. So highly recommend it. Naturally, there will come a point where your car key's just sitting on the counter, looking all lonely, and you're gonna wanna just grab it and go somewhere. But no, human. We must practice responsible social distancing. We must do this the right way. We must have a reason. And what better of a reason than to go get gas? Sure, it sounds simple, but maybe there's a specific gas station with a specific octane of fuel that your car prefers, and it just so happens to be 10 miles away. With some winding roads in between, perhaps? Maybe. But the bottom line is, your tank needs to be empty enough to justify the trip, or by the time you get to that gas station, it better be empty. you're getting gas, right? First thing you do is open the thing, put the thing over there, then you go look at the thing, you press the button, don't get a receipt, grab your thing, and then press the button. Whoa, watch out for the spillage. You put it in the hole, and you press the button, let the gas, oh man, that's cheap. Oh, then you take it back there, you put it back in, don't get your receipt because you didn't accept it, close the thing, and then you go back home. Warning! There will be 30 seconds of unapologetic C63 exhaust notes. And before you ask, it's just a resonator delete. So there you have it. I gave you 3 extremely unique answers to your most burning question of what can a car person do to responsibly practice social distancing. Turns out there's some hope for us after all. So before we close out, I wanted to give some honorable mentions. You can always add a pit stop to go get groceries while you're getting gas. You can play Forza 7 or Gran Turismo Sport. You can even wash your car, because after all those grocery and gas runs, it's probably going to be dirty. Shout out to the Koenigsegg. But regardless of how you choose to practice social distancing, I hope this video brought some entertainment to your day. And if you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.